Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 29. I'm going to explain about prepositions. Chapter 29 or bab 29. Prepositions. Dari, daripada, kepada, pada, sampai, dengan, oleh. Many students have trouble with prepositions. Untrained writers often make mistakes in the use of them. In the newspapers and on the radio, wrong usage of preposition is commonplace. Wrong usage of preposition naturally makes the sentences awkward and incomprehensible. You should therefore try to follow the guides given below. Dari. Dari means from. Used with place and time, not with persons. Examples: pelancong-pelancong itu datang dari Hong Kong. The tourists come from Hong Kong. Mereka datang dari mana? Where do they come from? Budak-budak itu belajar dari pukul 8. The children study from 8 o'clock. Orang Islam berpuasa dari dini hari sampai senja. Muslims fast from dawn to dusk. Daripada. Daripada also means from, but it's only used with person. Example: surat itu datang daripada abang saya. After daripada is person. Abang means my elder brother. Compared to from, time and place. Like here, dari and Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a place. And here, dari pukul 8. Pukul 8 is time. So, daripada only used with persons. Surat itu datang daripada abang saya. The letter comes from my elder brother. Saya menerima hadiah daripada guru besar. I receive a prize from the headmaster. But in conversation, it doesn't matter. You can use dari and daripada, no matter place or time or person. Usually we use dari. Daripada also used for comparing two things. Examples: ikan lebih murah daripada daging. Fish is cheaper than meat. Pisang lebih baik daripada rambutan. Bananas are better than rambutan. Bersia-sia di tepi laut lebih baik daripada duduk di sini. Strolling along the beach is better than sitting here. You can change bersia-sia with berjalan-jalan. Also means strolling. Another use of daripada is it translated the English phrase out of or of. For example, 3 daripada 10 orang mangsa kebakaran itu telah meninggal dunia. 3 out of the 10 fire victims have died. Meninggal dunia means pass away. Mangsa, victim. Kebakaran, the fire. 2 orang daripada pelajar-pelajar itu mendapat beasiswa. 2 of the students got scholarship. The word daripada is also used for the expression rather than. For example, daripada berbual-bual kosong, lebih baik bekerja. It is better to work rather than talk pointlessly. Berbual-bual means chatting, talking. Kosong means empty. So, berbual-bual kosong, talk pointlessly. Daripada tinggal di bandar, lebih baik aku tinggal di kampung. I would rather live in the village than in the city. Ke. Ke means to. Is used with place or locations. Examples: saya pergi ke pejabat tiap-tiap hari. I go to the office every day. Awak hendak pergi ke mana? Where do you want to go? Kepada. Kepada also means to but used with persons. Examples. Beri surat ini kepada dia. Give this letter to him. Tolong hantarkan kepada saya 2 buah kamus. Please send to me 2 dictionaries. Buah is classifier for cubical object. So like dari, daripada, ke and kepada also no problem if you want to change in conversation only. Like kepada you can use with place, but only in conversation. Pada. The word pada can also mean with or there is, as in the following examples. Wang kutipan itu ada pada dia. The money collected is with him. Pada kakinya ada nyamuk. On his leg there is a mosquito. Pada awak ada berapa biji? How many are with you? Biji is classifier we use for fruits or circle or round object. And pada also means at, used with time. Examples. Majlis itu diadakan pada malam ini. The party will be held tonight. Pada zaman dahulu, orang suka tinggal di tepi sungai. In the past, people like to live along the rivers. Konsert itu bermula pada pukul 8 tepat. The concert starts at 8 sharp. Sampai. As a verb, sampai means to reach the destination or to arrive. As prepositions, it means till or until. Examples. Peladang-peladang itu bekerja dari pagi sampai petang. The farmers work from morning till evening. Dia berusaha sampai berjaya. He worked hard until he succeeded. Note, instead of sampai, the words hingga or sehingga can be used. Same meaning. Dengan. The word dengan can mean with when following by an agent or when there is an idea of togetherness of association. Examples. Dia mengecat basikalnya dengan cat biru. He painted his bicycle with blue paint. Dia menulis dengan pen. He writes with a pen. Asmah menggosok lantai dengan berus. Asmah scrubs the floor with a brush. Encik Roslan tinggal dengan isteri dan anak-anaknya. Mr. Roslan lives with his wife and children. Dia suka makan roti dengan mentega. He likes to eat bread with butter. Pagi ini, kami mendengar cerita singa dengan tikus. This morning, we listened the story of the lion and the mouse. Dengan also means and. Like here, storybooks, singa dengan tikus. The lion and the mouse. Dengan suku kata with syllable. Singa dan tikus. Lion and the mouse. In conversation, we use dengan. Dengan means with and. We don't use dan in conversation. Dengan also translated the word by when it is followed by a means. Examples. Mereka pergi ke sekolah dengan bas. They go to school by bus. Nelayan-nelayan itu menangkap ikan dengan jala. The fishermen catch fish by using a net. Oleh. The word oleh is used for by when it's followed by the doer of an action. This is a passive sentence. For example, pameran itu akan dirasmikan oleh Perdana Menteri. The exhibition will be officiated by the Prime Minister. Berita itu telah disiarkan oleh Radio Television Malaysia, RTM. That news was broadcast by RTM. Words to remember. Beasiswa, scholarship. Buah-buahan, fruits. Dini hari, dawn. Guru besar, headmaster. Kampung, village. Sabun, soap. Kutipan, collection. Kutipan is noun, mengutip is verb. Mengutip means collect. Majlis, party or function. Mangsa, victim. Nelayan, fisherman. Perdana Menteri, Prime Minister. Kebakaran, a fire. Beri, to give. Bersiar-siar, to stroll. Berusaha, to work hard. Dibaiki is repaired. Disiarkan is broadcasted. Membasuh, to wash. Menggosok, to scrub. Meninggal dunia, to pass away. Berjaya, successful. Busuk, bad or rotten. Busuk, bad for smell. Rotten for fruits. Kosong, empty or zero. Tepat, sharp. Exercise 1. The illegal immigrants came from Indonesia. Pendatang-pendatang haram itu datang dari Indonesia. 2. My father went to Kuantan yesterday. Bapa saya pergi ke Kuantan semalam. 3. At that time, he was sleeping. Pada masa itu, dia sedang tidur. 4. Jeffrey lent Samad his squash racket. Jeffrey meminjamkan raket squashnya kepada Samad. 5. My mother washed the clothes with soap. Emak saya membasuh pakaian dengan sabun. 6. The door was opened by a pretty girl. Pintu dibuka oleh seorang perempuan cantik. 7. Sometimes he goes to Singapore by air. Kadang-kadang dia pergi ke Singapura dengan kapal terbang. 8. The commuter is faster than the train. Komuter lebih laju daripada keretapi. 9. They work from 8 o'clock. Mereka bekerja dari pukul 8. 10. 5 of the eggs are bad. 5 biji daripada telur-telur itu busuk. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.